fireman. This is the engineer. That guy over there behind the pipe is the fireman. He shovels the coal. And I told them not to run out of water because 482 ran out of water yesterday.
For real?
Yes.
What happened?
They were so low on water they forgot to stop in the morning to fill up. So I told the engineer to tell the firemen get filled up before they get to Silverton, up in Needleton.
And what happens to the train when it runs out of water?
It had a full thing of water, and yeah, it stopped and the brakes were acting up, kind of. But now it's fixed, because I was in the shop helping repair, so the brakes are good. We put new ones on. Okay, get ready. Conductor's coming right now. Yep, that's what he's doing. That's his job. When he gives you the signal, I'll give you the thumbs up. And then go ahead and pull out when he gives you the high sign. They keep these trains running all night. They don't put out the fire at night.
Oh, yeah?
They have to keep them running.
Too hard to start up?
Yeah. And it takes too long for the fire to build up. I know, because I do a steam program at the North Fork and Southern in Wyoming.
Sorry, that's not a...
Oh, I'm glad of it. Shot value. Oh, I want to throw the cigarette for a long time.
Don't worry, the 9 o'clock one is going to board at 8:30 once this one clears. It has to get in the clear first. See when you guys get back.
Alrighty.
I got the next one to do. I got the next one. Here we go.
the sheets. I'm starting to take all the clothes off I put on.
There's a breeze. Yeah, it's a little hot there.
Yeah, no, it is. It's real hot.
This is very cool.
Hello, McDonald's!
Now just watch the train leave. It's amazing. We're tourist attraction. Here we go. Leaving the station.
These kids are all waving.
Yeah, those were the ones that we saw. Oh, I wonder why there was a sweatshirt and chair. That's your job.
I don't think when the cars are here.
Just the rain system and pulled out of the station.
It is take off the trains there forever. It's right. In the sense of space age, technological. Right. Yeah, no, that is not true. Planes and boats and trains and all these lower ones. That's very fascinating. Nope. Said they're going to lay sidewalk today. Yeah. They put some there. Let's see how far they get. That last one. I know, but you never went back. No, I didn't. Been a better reason, like I said, I spent so much money this year. That's the most, although there's jewelry stores here, that's the most interesting one to me. I think so. Out of all the ones I've seen, that one is always too. Right. That one is always I was going to put it in the house. I'll have to fold it up. Whitman? No, I said we'll have to see if you can sit here later. Let's wait for them to take the tickets.
When they do it.
Western Union in Silverton. Oh, did they? Yeah, just back in the 50s and 60s. It was a western town, and they could, with crops and everything, they could look real better.
The movie that is
Something in the park.
20s.
Yeah, Sunny in the park.
Here goes in
Oh, that feels good.
dropped off. Middle of nowhere.
It's on that side, right.
The one we went to, they probably had their stuff ready by noon. They got in there early. Because they said they pick it up at 12. We didn't have much now. We leave in the morning. Exactly the time to leave. We figured we'd leave around 12 o'clock tomorrow. Okay. Give us plenty of time. We can always want to stop a little bit and see things. But that gives you enough time to go around and shop tomorrow if you want to shop or see the railroad or anything. Apologize for late for
Yeah, because I have to go for a meeting.
I hope she does.
I have to go for a meeting. They did a luncheon there.